Hi guys.
So we're working with Meika as a carry-on from our last shoot, which was about contrasting. We're going to use the exact same light, but we're going to show how I can fine-tune this next and then how much styling completely changes the look of this. So I'm just going to get Meika back in. I think we've roughly got the same spot. There's your dot in the same place. I've swapped my lens. I'm now on 100mm just so I can be a little bit tighter on the shot without being so close. I'm just doing a test shot, pretty much where we left off from the last shoot. So I want to just try and fine tune this just a touch. And because on our last video, I was talking about direction of light and power of light, what I want to do is clamshell Meika up a little bit. So what I want to try and do is use some of the power of the light to kick back up and get an even softer. Are you on your dot still? Yeah, cool. Beautiful, that's really pretty. You'll see that, especially you can see it in her eyes. So see this whiteboard? So you can see it's actually adding some light back in underneath. I actually really like that. Let's see if I make this a little bit more Rembrandt-y. And let's spin this in. Where are you on your dot? Let's just bring it in there and see how much kick. And I might bring it up a bit higher. Cool, that's really pretty. Right, so you'll see that now I've got that board illuminating the whole way across. I want to make that Rembrandt even stronger. So if I come around here more, I'm just fine tuning. All I'm doing is what I love to do is get a light and then keep playing with it till I make it better. Yeah, I'm liking. Right, so instead of me doing that, can you come that way? It's another step, but now just measure to the light. So measure your distance. All right, come around a bit more. Now measure again. Let's try in there. Cool, that's pretty, that's really pretty. I want this to fall off even more. Instead of me moving Meika, I might just move the light. It's the other way I can do things instead of just have everything else fixed in its spot and then move the light to get the look I want. Right, so I've moved a little bit too far away from Meika, but I'm loving what that's done. So I'm going to take that a fraction more, but I'm going to move it a little bit closer to her and still have it a little bit further. Do you want to check your arm? Is that about right? Cool. And I definitely want to get this board more in here now. Cool, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. I'm really liking this. I'm just going to keep taking it a touch further because what I'm doing, I'm going to keep going till I don't like it. Cool. And then I can always come back. Yeah, so I have done that. I've taken it too far now, so I've given her a bag under her eyes. She won't like me for that. So I'm going to just bring it back to about here. Do you want to just check the distance? That's about right, isn't it? Or a bit closer? Yeah. About there. That's really pretty. Yeah, I'm really liking this light. Right, I'm just going to do one more thing. I'm going to see what happens. I've just lifted the foam up higher. Cool. Oh, I like that even more. That's giving me a beautiful upglow. All right, so now I need to crop this to how I want it. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. All right, so I fine-tuned this to how I want it. I'm really happy with how this is looking. Give me 5 awesome shots and then we're going to do a change. All right? So I want you to wear this for what it is. All right? Even get in your head. You know, is this a guest campaign? What is this? Or is this you out being a cowgirl in a field? Or you follow me? Yeah. So I want the attitude to suit the clothing, but still want it to be about you, not as a fashion shot, more about it's you, and this is your look. Cool, cool, cool. E-com, get rid of your e-com and go back to drifting. That's it, keep the drift. No. Okay. You hate me because I make you do this every time. Just soft and drift it, like you would in real life, not what you do for e-com. That's really cool. The main reason is when you go into e-com mode, your face just keeps one look the whole time. And whereas I want emotion out of your eyes because that's what makes a supermodel, those looks that people go, I want what she's having. Perfect. All right, so Meika's going to run and she's going to change. And we're going to show how big a difference clothing makes without us changing anything else. So Meika's come back, she's changed her top, and you'll see there is a difference straight away in the feel of it. Just by changing a top, it's going to make a difference. It hasn't made a massive difference, but it has made a difference to this look. Cool. This is really cool. That's cool. That's really pretty. Cool. Meika still can't help getting into econ mode. That's better. Cool. That's really pretty. Nice, nice. Still posy, but that's fine. This is what she does for a living. You can go get changed again now. Yeah, we just need to show how just changing clothes makes a big difference. Oh, she found it. Wow. Yes, this is good because this is going to give a different look. It's one of Beck's favourite tops. Cool. Awesome. All right, so it's just clipping, but it's still making a massive difference to this. All right, so Uma Thurman. Do you know who I'm talking about? Oh, so you've never seen Kill Bill? Oh my God. Uma Thurman was the assassin that killed, like, in one fight, she killed 90 people. Cool. So that's, yeah, strong, powerful woman. No, don't pull the face. Just go strong in your body, instant. See, if you just go strong in your body, your jaw cuts instantly. So it's a beautiful strength asset. And then your eyes just nearly got just slight squint, like just that's better. Cool, cool. That gives that Adriana Lima, you know how she gets that cut? It's just a very, very slight squint. Beautiful. You've actually really nailed that shot. You love it? I reckon you've nailed it. You happy with those shots?
Yeah, these are cool.
All right, change. That's so cool. So with this, I'm going to just change my position very slightly, only because it's a crop top, and I think you need a little bit of skin under the top to make you see what the top is. Cool. Wear it for what it is. Get away from your e-com. It's you, right? Yeah. Thank you. Eyes, eyes. While you're moving around like that, you're not feeling, right? I need feel. Yeah, I just feel. So it's like, where are you right now? Who are you with? That's better. Does this make sense? Think about your favourite place in the world that you'd wear that.
Okay.
Right, just think about that and what you're doing and who's there with you. Cool, cool, cool. That's so much better. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice, nice. That's stunning, stunning, stunning. I know you've nailed it, but I'm liking how you're modelling now. This really slow drift that you're doing is perfect. Cool, cool. That's so pretty. Just keep the drift. Don't even wait, never wait. Nice, nice. Keep it going. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Done. You want to do your last one? All right, so we're on to our last one, and you're gonna wear this with elegance, right? So, cool. Only thing, I'm not loving the bra hanging out the side. Cool, that's really pretty. Class, expensive, champagne, first class travel, yachts. Doesn't really do much for you, does it? I'm not seeing any change in your face whatsoever. No, I was more seeing if she would wear it that way. You're liking how it looks? All right, we'll keep going. I want to, like Adriana Lima or Angelina Jolie or one of those beautiful, powerful women. So you can pick, I love the messy hair too. Don't let it get too neat. Cool, cool. That's really pretty. Cool, nice. Cool. That's really pretty. Slow it down. Cool, that's really pretty. So she looks completely different here. So I'm just going to do a final change now. So I'm going to take 2 pictures after I give each instruction. So my first instructions, wide, strong legs, really wide, powerful wide legs. Don't want you thinking about it, just feel. Cool, just give me a few really slow movements. Keep that power. Now just come up onto your toes. There, cool, give me a look there. Cool, give me another look. Cool, now I want you cross-legged. All right, nice and cross-legged, beautiful. Cool, nice, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. I'll just do it again, so that just cross-legged. Cool, that's really pretty. Cool, cool. Really pretty, really pretty. Drift it, drift it. Cool, 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 cool. That's really pretty, real pretty. And finish off, I want you to turn your toes in a little bit. Just that awkward. Oh my God, you feel that straight away, can't you? Cool. Are you learning something now? Yes. What you do with your feet will completely change your face. So now that I've shown you those things, cool. That's so pretty. So go back to strong feet. Go back to really wide, strong feet. Cool, beautiful. Cool, now go to cross legs, like catwalk walk, cross. Nice, nice. Too much in the eyes, too much in the jaw. That's it, feel it. Don't add to it. Don't do the cross and actually feel it rather than trying to build it. That's cool. That's so pretty, so pretty. Now finish off with the turned in toes, the Daffy Duck feet. Cool. So pretty. Hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more, we'll put a link for the shoot that we did on the setup of this light with direction of light.